did you want these bands, girl?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Mustang. This is another video. As you can see in the title, this is how to install a trim spoiler on a 2010 to 12 Ford Fusion. Alright, I know I'm wearing the same clothes as the last video because joke's on you, it's the same day, just a different video. Anyway, so to get started for this special car, what you need is a drilling bit that's about the same size as the screws. No measurements needed because I don't know if you can see these two holes. They're marks, not holes. But you will need this to drill those. Because the spoiler, scratch this. The spoiler comes with two screws already on each side. They are marked for you. No gluing needed, no measurement needed, no special nothing, just a drilling, what do you call this? Drilling bit. That's all. But to prep it, what you need to do is make sure your paint is warm so you don't get cracks and chips when you're drilling. That's all you need. And maybe on the opposite side, put some masking tape, which I don't have right now, so I'm probably not gonna use it. Yeah, you need masking tape so you don't make cracks. The tape will hold the paint together and is just gonna drill a hole through. Anyways, let me walk you through the process. Here in Sterling Heights, it's already a warm weather. My trunk is very hot, so what I'm about to do is just drill each of these. I can't do it with, let me try doing it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, center it. Alright, I can't do it with one hand, so I'll do it and get back with you and show you how it's done. The first two holes are successfully drilled in. I checked if it fits perfectly. I chose the perfect drilling bit. Let me show you. There you go. Not a big deal. See? No cracks, no nothing in the paint. Just gonna do the other side and show you the overall results. Unfortunately, on the driver's side, there's an extra screw, which is this one. I don't see any marks for that one, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have my grinder right here and just cut it. I don't give a fuck. But always keep in mind that safety is first. I'm gonna use my Ray-Bans right here and I'll show you how it's done. The job is done. It's a little messy, but I got it done. Alright everyone, the job is all done. It's perfectly snug on there. It was like a 20-minute job, not even. You can tell the paint doesn't match. This one got like glitter, this one doesn't. But oh well, as long as it's black. And you can't really tell the difference from far away. My JDM car got so much cooler. I didn't put that because of downforce, just for looks. It's always been about looks. Anyways, thank you for watching. And me personally, never done something like this before, so if it's your first time, don't be afraid to do it. You won't know if you can do it unless you try it. So I showed you that I can do it, so can you. Thank you for watching. Please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.
Now I know you just another